a braid out tutorial on completely dry hair. I did not wet it, did not wash it. I'm actually in between washes, so can't do that. My hair can't take that right now. So, it's a little too dry, so I'm just spray it a little bit with the water bottle. Just a little bit. I'm going to take my Eden by BodyWorks Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. It's my favorite leave-in conditioner. Adds a lot of moisture to your hair. So I'm just rub that in real good. Next, I'm gonna take my fro butter. This is the Jamaican Castor Oil one. I got it off Amazon. It is absolutely amazing. It's very light. It provides a lot of shine, a lot of moisture to your hair. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and start my braid out. I love a good side part, because middle parts always make my head look big. Nobody got time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my side part and go ahead and start braiding my hair down. So I'm using my Eden by BodyWorks Curl Defining Cream now. This is my absolute favorite product in the whole wide world. This is the product I use for my braid outs, my twist outs, even my wash and goes. I use this product. It's my favorite. I go through a lot of these. And they're not even expensive, like $6 a jar at Walmart. It's just my favorite. So if I could suggest a product for anybody looking for a new product, it would definitely be that one. Here, I'm just making sure I saturate the entire section with product. Because, honey, it ain't nothing worse than you taking down your braid out and you just see major inconsistencies within your sections of your braid out. So, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure the whole thing is saturated, then go ahead and braid that down. So it's about 20 minutes later, and I'm finished. I'm going to get up under the dryer to make sure it's dry. I'm actually going to sleep with it and take it out in the morning, but my hair is so thick that I want to make sure it dries completely. So, see y'all in the morning. And I don't want to feel the way I do, but I like it. Look at all these sparks flying, and I'm undecided, and she won't. Good morning. So I'm gonna take my fro butter again. First I'm gonna oil my scalp, just to make sure it ain't dry. And now I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger, rub it into my hands, and start taking down my hair. You want to make sure that you keep your hands, your fingers moisturized so that the braid out won't come out frizzy or anything like that. So, just taking it on down. Out all the way up to the top. And there we have it. Real cute. So I'm taking my pick and I'm just start picking out so that I can have my fro as big as I like to wear it. Now I'm going to take some Eco Gel and get my edges together. Lay them down real quick. Real nice, real quick. And boom, there you have it. Braid out complete. I am so satisfied with this. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and support a real one. Follow me, friend me on all my social medias. Man, remember, if anybody told you they loved you, I love you. Stay up, baby.